In the Mortensen system, we work with little student workbooks, which are about 20 pages in length, and they include one concept only, so that the child is repeating over and over again throughout that 20 pages the one concept. And there's tremendous motivation, because as they finish this, they can actually see they're getting through. When you're working with a large textbook, you know that that's your work when you come in September, and it's going to be your work clear till the end of May or middle of June, whenever you get out. And it doesn't really have the motivation. You don't feel that you can finish. And here you feel that you can finish. In fact, if you want to, you could sit down and do that whole book in a day and move on to something else. And it's exciting to come up and say, can I have another book? And the next book that they would get would have one more isolation of difficulty, just one more concept for them to understand. And it builds upon what they have learned previously, so that they have that repetition built in over and over again.
Mortensen Math is a program that follows a step-by-step approach towards the visualization of mathematical concepts by simply building rectangles. A program which motivates students because it is constantly rewarding and enjoyable to learn. And yet, for any program to be successful, it must find a willing teacher. A teacher who is willing to consider a program which does not take a traditional approach to mathematics. Teachers willing to look the monster in the eyes.
To me, it's sort of a default, you know, that they lose out on freedom of choice simply because they haven't had the background to make that choice. And this is what I think, starting children at younger and younger ages and really giving them the opportunity to internalize mathematics and science at a very young age will allow them then to say, hey, I can do anything I want to do. It's just a matter of me making up my mind what I would like to do.
You take small children, you get them involved doing the algebra, doing the trig, doing a total math program at a very early age, and there is never a monster there, because math is now their friend. It's something that's enjoyable, it's something that's fun, and it's something that is very understandable.